again, and we are in a 1990 Mazda Miata, so you know I'm stoked. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm a big Miata enthusiast. I've owned several of them over the years, 3 to be exact, and this is the granddaddy Miata right here. You know, it's not an 89, but it's a 90 NA Miata from Japan, so it's a UNOS roadster. So this car has a 1.6 liter engine up front, making 116 horsepower, 5-speed manual going to the rear wheels as God intended it. So a little bit about this car. It's 2,100 pounds. It has TA Technics coilovers. It has a roll bar installed. It has this 350 millimeter steering wheel. It has aftermarket wheels and 195 series Yokohama street tires. Nothing special, just regular summer tires. Nothing super grippy, which I think will be fun in this car. This car does not have a LSD, so just something to keep in mind. And I'm excited. You know, 2,100 pounds. Sounds good to me. Lightweight rear wheel drive. So for you guys who follow the channel and who have seen my last review, you would have saw I did a review on my C5 Z06, which was a blast to drive on this road. But this car is so much better suited for it size-wise. It's a little tight for the C5, but this just feels like the perfect size road to enjoy this NA roadster on. I do have the top off right now, so I'm gonna have to speak a little bit louder just to make sure you guys can hear me. It's funny because just this morning I was driving this road in my Corvette, which weighs 1,000 pounds more at 3,100 pounds and makes 3/4 more horsepower at 400 wheels. So to literally drop off 1,000 pounds and drop off 300 horsepower, it's interesting. But although a Miata and a Corvette might seem like they couldn't be more different, I often akin my Corvette to a Miata because to me it feels like a big Miata. And by what I mean by that is they have many similarities. They have a double wishbone, a suspension all around, their front engine, a rear wheel drive, and they both have an inherent balance about them. Wrong gear, I'm not in the power band. Okay, there we go. We're in third. Yeah, but they both have an inherent balance about them, which makes them very similar. And this car just seems so balanced. Like the coilovers that this car is on, the TA Technics coilovers, they do a great job at controlling body movement on this car without being too firm or making the car feel jumpy or anything like that. The car just feels very, very playful in its nature, but you can tell by just driving it, it's just a great chassis. It's like when you can have a car and do so little to it and it feels so great, that's how you know you're driving something special. And this car is beautifully simplistic. And what I mean by that is, even though it's underpowered, you know, even though it has a Ford engine that's hardly nothing special, the car just has a personality about it that you rarely find in other cars today. And it's just amazing being back in one of these after 4 years. I'm just amazed by how sharp this car feels. This car was made 30 years ago, literally, and it feels so tight. Wow. I mean, I guess the old adage is true. Well, 2 old adages. It's more fun to drive a slow car fast. And that Miata is always the answer, because right now, oh, it's seeming like the answer. Man, I just have so many nostalgic feelings being behind the wheel of another NA because that's really where I got my start in cars. Like, I really got my start driving in a Miatas, and just being back behind the wheel is just such a pleasure for me. The car just feels so good, so good. If y'all have not driven in a Miata, I really encourage you to seek one out and go and drive one, because it really helps you to see how special a car is after you come back and revisit it after some time. Like, you would think my Corvette would just be so much more fun than this car, and maybe on a racetrack that would be true, but on this back road where I frequent it very frequently, I'm having just as much fun in this as I do the Corvette. It's an experience, I feel. Really, just going through these corners and just feeling like I'm using every bit of horsepower that this car has. It's really amazing. It's a very amazing feeling. But the steering feel is out of worldly, y'all. Like, for this being stock, like stock steering, wow, the turning is just so immediate, and the steering ratio is perfect. It's not too slow, it's not too fast. It just feels perfect for the car. Oh no, we caught traffic. No, no. It's just such a beautiful day out. Such a beautiful day. It's so fun to just have the top down and be able to enjoy this car. And what I would call this natural habitat, which is a twisty back road. It's a road where you don't have to drive too fast, but you can really feel what the car has to offer. Back through the twisties again. This car is so easy to heel toe. It's like the pedal placement is perfect. If you have huge feet, you might have an issue, but perfect for me. Some tad bit of oversteer right there. The car is so forgiving, it's like it allows you to make a few mistakes along the way, but won't punish you for it. And I absolutely love that quality. That's a great quality for a car. That's why people always recommend these as great learners cars, because honestly, you can just get in one of these and learn the basics and it won't punish you for it. But I definitely hope y'all enjoyed the video. David, thanks again. I'll be sure to link David's Instagram in the description below. But yeah, man, I'm blown away. I didn't realize revisiting this car, I would still feel the same way I felt about it after all these years. But as they say, Miata truly is the answer. And so I hope y'all liked the review. Please do like, subscribe. Take it easy. I'm out.